5 belly fat burning exercises at home. Having a bulging belly can be frustrating, especially since it is typically the first place that accumulates fat, but the last place that burns it. Thankfully, some exercises could help you shape your waist, even when you have no access to expensive and complicated gym equipment. There are 5 exercises in this exercise regimen, and you should do all, or at least 4 of the exercises each time you exercise, so you must watch the entire video to see how each exercise is performed correctly. It would be best if you exercised at least 5 or 6 times a week. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. Here are the 5 best belly fat burning exercises you can do safely at home. 1. Cobras. Lie face down on a mat and keep your legs in a neutral position. Your feet should be slightly narrower than hip width apart. Prop yourself up with your palms and push out so that your upper body is bending back. Make sure your legs and hip bones are flat on the floor. As you begin exercising, you can bend your elbows, but try your best to progress each time so that you can eventually have your elbows locked straight. Hold your peak position for 30 seconds and breathe slowly as you do. Bring yourself back down to the mat, relax for 15 seconds, and repeat the Cobra pose another 5 times. 2. Flutter kicks. Lie on your back and keep your arms at your sides. Make sure your palms are flat on the floor to help keep you steady. Lift your legs and keep your feet approximately 12 inches from the ground. Simultaneously lower one leg slightly and raise the other. The movements must be small, but quick. Keep doing this movement until you've completed 1 minute's worth of flutter kicks. 3. Jackknife. Lie on your back and raise your arms above your head. Keep your legs straightened out and your feet close together. Lift your feet about 12 inches from the mat. Harnessing power from your core, simultaneously lift your upper body and your legs towards the ceiling. Ideally, you would be able to reach your toes with your fingers. Bring your legs and upper body back down and rest for a maximum of 10 seconds before repeating the movement. Repeat until you've completed 30 seconds worth of jackknives. 4. Side plank with leg lifts. Lie on your right side and use your forearm to prop yourself up. Rest your left foot on top of your right foot, which should be resting on the mat. You can rest your left arm along your torso or keep your palm flat in front of you to give you more stability. Hold your body in a straight line and keep yourself as stiff as possible. Your hips should not sag down nor point up. Slowly lift your left leg, hold the top position for a second, and lower it back down. Repeat until you've completed 30 seconds worth of leg lifts during a side plank. 5. Reverse crunches. Lie on your back with your arms at your side and your palms pressed down right below your hips. Lift your legs and bend your knees so that your thighs are perpendicular to the ground and your calves parallel it. In one explosive movement, lift your butt from the ground and bring your knees as close as you can to your chest. Lower your body back down and repeat until you've completed 1 minute's worth of reverse crunches. These 5 exercises might be incredibly challenging when you first try them out. However, if you persevere and exert your best effort working out your core every single day, you'll be rewarded with quick results. Soon, you'll enjoy the flat abs, small waist, and sexy silhouette you've always wanted. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.